Well, I think that the story of education should be really a Socratic story, but without the Platonic twist in the Republic. But there is a risk in that. And the risk is that democracy can fall apart if we don't have civic commitment to protect it. So we have to teach the truth to our young generations. And we have to teach the fact that the truth is not something that you achieve and you kind of put it away. It's always being challenged by events, by the environment, cultural environment, political environment.